Good morning. This morning we are going to be making refrigerator pickles. So first of all, we need 7 cups of sliced cucumbers, and then we're going to need an onion and celery seed and salt. So let's get started. We're going to cut the ends off of these. These cucumbers have already been washed. Don't want to cut the skins off, and I'm just going to slice them into this measuring bowl till we've got about 7 cups. Now these cucumbers are from our garden. They have been picked over the past couple of days, so I've had them in the crisping drawer in the refrigerator until I had enough cucumbers to work with. And usually it's about, give or take, 7 cucumbers. But we will see. Sometimes it just depends on your size of cucumbers. We usually plant the pickling cucumber along with some straight 8s. So sometimes it just all gets mixed in here together. In my opinion, a cucumber is a cucumber. Once they're pickled, it's all the same. I think we're going to go ahead and do one more. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and slice our onion. This onion is also from our garden. And usually they're a little bit bigger, but this one will do just fine. You do want to use a nice size onion, and there again with the onion you can just slice it however you want. Okay, we have 7 cups cucumbers, 1 onion, and now we are going to go ahead and add our salt and celery seed, and we're going to let it sit. So you're going to want to use 2 tablespoons of salt, and I am using the Redmond's fine sea salt. And then you want to use 1 teaspoon of the celery seed.
You've done actual celery before, haven't you?
I have done actual celery when I don't have celery seed, and I just kind of give it a good shake. Shake it all down, and we are going to let this sit for about 15 minutes to help drain out a lot of that moisture that's in the cucumbers. Okay, I did forget something. You're not supposed to just let it sit in the bowl. You're supposed to drain them in the colander. So I have the colander sitting here. And then let them drain in the, and actually I'm going to put it back over in here because this bowl is a little deeper, and let it drain. So sorry about that, but that was one step I missed. So we're going to turn the timer back on and let it continue sitting. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes and our cucumbers have been draining, and now we're going to mix up the juice that will go over the cucumbers. So we're going to need 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of white vinegar. And I'm going to get a spoon so we can mix that together. And you just want it to dissolve the sugar as much as possible. Alright, so now we are going to give it a little shake, see if we can drain off any more of the liquid from the cucumbers. Now we're just going to pour them in back into this bowl. Okay, so now we're ready to just take the sugar mixture and pour it over the cucumbers, stir it around, and then you just let it sit out on the counter for 8 hours or overnight. This does not have to be covered while it's sitting out. All right, we're back. It's been about 8 hours since our cucumbers have been sitting in the vinegar with the sugar, and now we're going to put them into jars. And we have actually been snacking on them throughout the day. They are better once they're refrigerated, but hey, let's get them into jars. And we might get about maybe 2 jars. A lot of times we only just get 1 jar. But these are easy to make. So whenever you have cucumbers and you don't know what to do with them, whip up a batch of refrigerator pickles.
I think you're only gonna get 1 jar.
I think so. Which is usually what we get, which is okay. And they will not stay around long anyway. I mean, in the refrigerator, they would probably keep for quite a while. But like I said, around here, they will not last. Just get those down in the juice. They really are good when they're cold. There is our jar, and now with the remainder of what's in this bowl, we're just going to put them in a smaller bowl and probably just snack on them before dinner. There we go. All right, so that is how you make refrigerator pickles. It can be done all in one day or overnight and the next day. Thank you for sharing this with us.